Welcome back, folks. If you are in the market for a new home, an event happening this weekend is just what you need. New Mexico realtors across the state will be showcasing their best listings, and we are joined this morning by the president of the Greater Albuquerque Association of Realtors, Belinda Franco, to talk with us about their upcoming Grande open house weekend. It is always fun to talk about this. Fall is in the air. It's a great time to find a house. So tell us about this open house weekend. We've been doing this for quite a while now.
We have, and it's been a great success. It really gives Albuquerque and really all of New Mexico a chance to go out and see what is on the market and what is available. So the Grande open house is an opportunity we do in the spring and we do it in the fall, and it gives everybody a chance to go out and see some open houses in person and online. So right now with COVID restrictions, if you're not wanting to go in person, you can definitely see houses virtually, and that's an important piece as well.
Now, where do people go online to see these listings?
So you would go to New Mexico Home Search, and you spell that out, newmexicohomesearch.com/weekend or /open-weekend.
Okay.
So New Mexico Home Search, open weekend.
Open weekend. Okay.
Correct.
Now, let's talk about, we were just talking during the break about the importance of having a realtor.
Right.
What is the difference between a realtor and a listing agent, or someone that is not a realtor, that does not have that R?
Okay, so the difference between a realtor and a licensee, they both have licenses, but a realtor has the code of ethics, and they have extra education that they have to go through, and their priority is the client, the buyer or the seller. And with a licensee, a lot of times we see those people being investors, somebody that just wants to buy and sell on their own.
Gotcha.
So the benefit of having a realtor is that code of ethics, and you're working with somebody that knows all the laws, all the state regulations and federal regulations, and so it really helps you in that process, somebody to really guide you.
Yeah, it's really important to have. Now, what if someone doesn't have a realtor?
Well, if you don't have a realtor, go to newmexicohomesearch.com and you can search for a realtor in your area and get connected. If you do have a realtor, you can also be connected with them on newmexicohomesearch.com as well. And those listings that you favorite will go directly to your realtor of choice.
That's great. So we can do the homework, say this is what I'm looking for. They can log in on their end and know exactly which houses you're interested in. Okay, that's really good to know. Now, let's talk about this New Mexico Home Search. This app has also been really popular, and as it's been developing over the last few years.
Absolutely. It really gives all of New Mexico a chance to get out there and see the homes that are available and see what it really is a website that is built for homeowners, for sellers, for buyers, and it's a lifestyle website. It really is a great opportunity to go out and just see all of New Mexico, not just the greater Albuquerque area. You know, we're focused on the greater Albuquerque area right now, but New Mexico Home Search is the entire state.
Yeah, that's really good to know. Now, very quickly, we've got about a minute left, so a couple of things I want to touch on. For those that are going out in person, what COVID guidelines do we need to do? We need to have masks if we're going to go see these houses in person?
Yes, so we really have to follow what the homeowner wants, and a lot of these homeowners are requesting people to wear masks and follow that state mandate. So really just talk to your realtor, because a realtor will know what is required. The realtor will be masked and ask normally for you to sign in, just to have that contact tracing, and also just to let the homeowner know who's been in and out of their home. So I would definitely say take your mask and let's follow those guidelines.
Very good. Now again, just very quickly, where can we go online to look at the Grande open house, the inventory, and get ready for our weekend?
Right, newmexicohomesearch.com/open